What if one broken saw blade changed farming forever? In 1837, a small-town blacksmith solved a problem no one else could and built a company you still see on farms today. John Deere was born in 1804 in Vermont. After his father was lost at sea, Deere was raised by his mother and trained as a blacksmith. His skill and creativity quickly set him apart. When the New England economy collapsed in 1836, Deere headed west to Illinois and opened a blacksmith shop in a town called Grand Detour. There, farmers told him their biggest frustration: cast iron plows didn't work in the thick prairie soil. Dirt stuck on them, forcing the farmers to stop and scrape them every few feet. Deere believed the solution was simple: a smooth, polished steel plow. Using steel from a broken saw blade, he built a new design that cleaned itself as it moved through the soil. Then he tested it. Hundreds reportedly showed up to watch. The plow worked, and word spread fast. By 1848, Deere moved his operation to Moline, Illinois, along the Mississippi River, where water power and river transport helped the business explode. Soon the company was producing over 1,000 plows a year. In 1868, the business became Deere & Company, built on John Deere's core principle: never sell low-quality products. Deere later served as Moline's second mayor and remained active in the community. John Deere died in 1886, but his invention transformed agriculture, and his name still rolls across fields worldwide. John Deere, one broken saw blade, one smart idea, and a legacy that still drives agriculture today. To find out more about the John Deere L tractor that we are restoring, like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you!